สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Gary, cooking ambassador from Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School. Now I'm here, our cooking farm, cooking at farm, and now school open. If you travel to Thailand, don't forget to come to cook by yourself in our farm cooking class. And today I will cook the most Thai favorite for Thai people. I think it's a pad Thai, but actually it's not pad Thai. Pad Thai for Thai people is, but Thai people love to eat hot basil stir fry, hot basil stir fry, or Thai people call pad gra pao, pad gra pao. Okay, pad gra pao. What does gra pao mean? Gra pao just means this one, hot basil. You know hot basil? This one, you see, hot basil is. It's like a grab basil, but when you rub it and smell it, smell quite peppery. But after touch the heat, it's strong flavor, but it's not spicy, but it's hot. Okay, so we cook hot basil stir fry. We have to prepare.
หมึก
We have to cut this one first. Okay, you see here. How to cut it? We have to cut this way. Cut here. We have to cut the branch. Don't take only the leaf, but you have to cut it at the branch here. Like this, and also get the flower. This is okay. Here. Hot basil and chilies. Okay, chilies, you see red chili and green chili. Okay, you know which color hotter? It's the red one hotter because it's older, stronger. But we use more green and some red. Okay, more green and some red. Not too spicy. Okay, I don't want to show off. Actually, Thai people, not everyone is spicy. But of course it's much more spicy than you guys. Okay, now we have hot basil and chilies already, and then time to cook this way. This is our cooking school. This is cooking school. If you come here, you can cook one person, one wok. Okay, like you can cook hot basil stir fry, and other people can cook pad Thai together at same time. Okay, this is the atmosphere of our school here. Okay, we have hot basil already, so we have to wash first. Okay, clean the dust first, and chili. Okay, this is the ingredients and seasoning for hot basil stir fry, but today we use chicken and egg with hot basil stir fry. So ingredients: garlic, hot basil, of course, chilies, chicken, egg is optional, and the seasoning we use cooking oil, sugar, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and the dark soy sauce. First time we have to prepare the garlic first. Garlic, we chop the garlic. All stir fry, we have to start with the garlic and chilies. How many? How many for you? You normally cook 5, 7. I use 4. Okay, 4. Some green, some red, and some in between. Okay, you see, you can see closer here. Chili, traditional Thai, we smash it. Okay, we smashed. And for the vegetable is optional because mostly they cook hot basil and egg and chicken. But for me, I like more vegetable. We use long bean. But sometimes you can use carrot or onion or baby corn, what you like, any vegetable you like. and then hot basil, we take all the leaf off. Just take all the leaf off here. Yes. We use hot basil, but if you have no hot basil, I'm not recommend you use other basil because you will change the flavor. Okay, change the flavor. Okay. We can use also the flour. Okay, and then first time, turn on the gas. Okay, and we have to provide the egg first. Egg first. Oil. We will do fried egg in Thai style. You see closer. Fried egg in Thai style. You see quite lots of oil, but after cook it's not, the oil not finished. Heat the oil for a while to make sure oil is hot enough. Because fried egg in Thai style, we need white egg crispy. We have to make it crispy. And we taste first. Choose strong bubble. Okay, then here. Cut. Okay, you see, and we need egg crispy. Just like this, and then turn off the gas and put it in here. Yep. And then, wow, this lava. And then we turn back the oil. No more oil, you see? We almost don't lose any oil. And we have to start the flavor first. Garlic and chili, okay. And put a little bit oil until you get the smell, okay? Can you see? Until you smell, and then add the chicken. Chilies and garlic is very strong. And then after the chicken cook, but if it's dry, add water. Okay, and then add the sugar, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Dark soy sauce. Mix all together. Now you get the hot basil sauce, add water. And then some vegetable. But someone skip the long bean, but I like long bean. Then stir it. You see a little bit closer here. And the last one, add the basil. Basil will bring out all the flavor. The flavor is spicy and smell peppery from the hot basil. Salty and sweet together. Okay. Then turn off the gas and that's it. You see? Hot basil stir fry. Let's put this one. The size of the egg or on top of the egg is okay. For me, just like this. And the sauce. This is hot basil stir fry. Chicken hot basil stir fry with egg. This is the most favorite for Thai people. Okay, you can ask your friends in your country, Thai friend in your country. I'm sure if they grow up in Thailand, they will love this menu. Okay, and Thai fried egg should be crispy of the white egg. But don't worry when first time when you fry the egg, lots of oil, but then after you fry it, you don't lose so much oil. And I like crispy white egg and like not too cooked for the egg yolk. Welcome to Thailand. But if you travel to Chiang Mai, now is I think mostly every country in the world no lockdown anymore. You can travel, you can go, you can come to Thailand and cook something good for your health because hot basil is very healthy. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon or just follow me. And if you travel to Chiang Mai, Thailand, come to Asia Scenic Thai Cooking School and we cook together. Bye bye.